All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today I'm tired. And we're talking about breaking stuff. All right, it's been a long week, so I'm a little more casual than normal, and I'm sitting down. I'm a little tired. Watch my Wednesday video and get a little more details, but this is Monday, so we'll talk about stuff. Breaking stuff. Now, in the automotive world, stuff that you didn't plan for is gonna break. And fact of life, I mean, it happens. The problem is when you're being a little too aggressive and you have a nasty habit of breaking stuff, i.e. way more than other people in the shop. It gets noticed. When the shop is eating a $500 spindle, it gets noticed. If you recognize it, it's out of a Passat. And unfortunately, it's a pinch bolt and it got over tightened and broke the aluminum. Our cost on it was $500. Yes, we ate it. We did not charge the customer. Before anybody starts yelling, no, we paid for it. But it brings up an important topic. You do your best. I know we're all, we're talking flat rate, so we got to hurry up. But when you're working, do your best to not break stuff. I've seen guys take 5-foot long pry bars and pry on AC lines. Don't do that. One, my luck is, I've stuck my hand next to one and broken them. So that stuff gets expensive, and if you're costing the shop too much money, you're going to be looking for a new place to work. It's a fact of life. Whether you're hourly or flat rate, you break too much stuff, especially expensive stuff, you're going to wind up at a new shop. So it's important, yes, time is important, but do your best not to do harm to the vehicle. Remember, we're fixing the vehicle, not breaking things. So just a little PSA, if you're getting frustrated, take a minute, go drink a Coke or, back away from the vehicle, stop throwing stuff, stop working on the vehicle, back away, calm down. If you're frustrated, don't stay on that car. Back up, take a minute, because the more you get frustrated, the more likely stuff's going to get broken. And you keep breaking stuff, you're going to be moving your toolbox. So really important for young techs. A lot of young guys get in this business, and I'm saying guys specifically for a reason. I'm not excluding women, but they tend to have a little less anger issues. Sorry. But you get frustrated, you start getting aggressive, you start getting even more aggressive, and stuff breaks. I'm guilty of it too. Everybody does. You start getting pissed off. You get pissed off, stuff starts tending to break. So back away, take your minute, calm down. Hope you like this video. I know my energy level is rather low. Watch the Wednesday video when it comes out. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like it, subscribe. Make sure and hit that bell notification so you get notified when I put out a new video. If you didn't like the video because you like breaking stuff, stop breaking stuff. Give me a thumbs down. Comments are always appreciated, and as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.